Now take a look at this movement on AUD USD. You can see that AUD USD is literally dropped. It's not of a surprise because market is rejecting from the resistance level. You all know that once market hits the resistance level, especially once it is ranging and it hits the resistance level, need market to actually reject from that level. But first thing, so if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is our 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look at what the current trend is. This is the current movement. What is market currently? And as you can see on this our 4-hour time frame, we are range. So market first rallied up to tap our resistance, right? Then guess what market did? It rejected from our resistance and dropped back to our support. Now market was able to rally back up to tap our resistance, right? Then it rejected from our resistance and dropped back to our support. Now market eventually rejects from our support level and came back to our resistance. And guess what market did from after it came to tap our resistance? Now dropping. So we will continue to expect that drop till it is able to tap to our support level. So this is to tell you that in bearish move, what we are going to be expecting for the day, right, on our AUD USD. Now let's go and zoom into our 4-hour time. So this is double bottom right here. So markets did drop. This is it. Drop. Now markets eventually give us some more push up. Here comes the drop. Drop. Now this is a pullback, right? And now this is another drop. Market did give us another push up, right? Which is a pullback. Then this is another drop. Now with this movement, we should be expecting market to push up again, a pullback, and then one more drop. So we will continue that drop. The market eventually got to tap our support level, right? This is what we'll be expecting. So it's still a bearish move we will be expecting for the AUD. Now, if there will be any changes in this prediction, that I'll make sure I go to do the guide. I wish I'm going to do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that once we drop the updates, you will not miss out on it. And also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.